Do some apps keep opening Samsung Internet when you tap a link? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you choose which app are allowed to launch Samsung Internet. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Tap Security and Privacy. Then tap Block apps from opening your browser. Here, you will see apps that have previously opened Samsung Internet. Simply turn on the switch next to any app that you want to block from opening Samsung Internet. For this example, let's turn on Facebook. Now, Facebook will no longer be able to open Samsung Internet automatically. You can enable the setting for each app individually, giving you more control over which app are allowed to launch Samsung Internet. However, if you change your mind later, simply turn the switch off again. And that's how to block apps from opening Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.